You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. This is a brand name. It's also the name of a bird. There are two correct pronunciations that are used in English, yes, and one is American English, the other British English. So let's break them down. In British English, the pronunciation is generally as osprey. Yes, it's a bit of an exception. Generally, words ending with EY are pronounced E, but in the UK, osprey. In the US, however, it's normally pronounced as osprey. Osprey. So osprey or osprey. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Well, I'm pretty sure you did. Let us know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let us know as well. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.